So yeah, if you guys are Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Today's video is going to be on how to achieve and get that salon blow dry look at home. I know, I said at home, because it is possible with this Revlon one-step volumizer brush. This thing works magic. It has 3 settings. It has cool, low, and high. I honestly just use it on high. I do apply a heating protector before I do blow dry my hair, as well as I comb it through and part it into sections. So I will be showing you guys that. I do want to share with you guys that I know my hair does look a bit dry already. Honestly, in my opinion, the best results have been when my hair is air dried the most. So that's what I am doing now. If you guys are interested in this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up and keep on watching for more. Now, I do want to mention that, as you can see, on each side that I go inwards at first to kind of add that volume, and then once I feel that it's dry enough, I kind of go outwards so that the tips kind of look, you know, cute and layered. So yeah, FYI. Now, we are going to bring this down. I am done with these 2 bottom parts. I'm just gonna let a little bit more hair down, just so that it's not that much, and go again outwards and then inwards with the brush. Once I feel that it's dry, I kind of add that touch at the end so that they look, my layers kind of look nice and cute. Keep in mind that I am using it on high. I do recommend using it on cool only so that you don't damage that much of your hair, but I mean, I do add, like I said, heating protector, and I don't think my hair is that weak, so yeah. This is so far. I think the baby's awake. Hold on. Okay, now we're back. This is basically half my hair done, and honestly, I think it looks super good. Now, keep in mind that this only takes 15 minutes. Like, that's the best part about this brush, is that it's super easy to handle, and it's literally just 15 minutes. So you do not want to be at the hair salon sitting 30 minutes for a blow dry. Definitely get yourself one of these Revlon brushes. Now, I will be providing a link below on the brush. I did get mine at TJ Maxx, but I'm pretty sure you could get these wherever. This is pretty much it. Just, I mean, I'm pretty sure I could just fill in a little bit more for doing it at home yourself. This looks bomb. Now, obviously, I'm not so into volume, so I mean, I think the brush does enough volume for me as it is. I will show you guys the back. Let me just make sure that it's nice. Let me get the back. I usually do this. Okay, so this is the end result. I love it. It only took 15 minutes and I am done with my hair. This honestly lasts so long. Look at the back. And it just makes your hair look so much better without having to go to the salon. So if you are looking to add more volume, you could probably use a volumizing spray or other different techniques of how to brush in the hair. But again, I go inwards at first to make sure I get the hairs up here that are kind of hard to get and dry that out first, and then I go outwards to kind of add the styles. Now if you guys are interested in the brush, I will provide a link down below on where to buy it, as well as the pricing. I believe it's around 40 bucks. I am not sure. Again, if you're interested, check the link down below. And yeah, I cannot rave enough about my hair. It's super easy and quick. If you guys like this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are into hair tricks and tips, as well as beauty and mommy videos, definitely leave what you guys want to watch down below in the comment area. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.